we have one of the most anticipated launches happening tomorrow. And so this is for Pudgy Penguins with their token Pengu. And so this is going to be going live tomorrow. I have a ton of information on this, all the information you need to know prior to the launch. And so if you enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so we can see here that they posted this on X just stating tomorrow. However, more information has come out since then. And I think this is going to be one of the biggest launches for an NFT collection since Bored Ape Yacht Club. And so these NFTs are selling for $130,000 a piece and nobody is talking about it. And so in comparison to 2022 when NFTs were very popular and when they were showing up all over the news, however, Pudgy Penguins is currently selling at $130,000 and there's a little bit of interest. However, I think that is going to be changing here. And so trading for this token is going to start tomorrow at 1 p.m. UTC. This is 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And so this is going to be listed on many large exchanges. We have KuCoin that is going to be listing this token. Binance is also going to be listing it as well. And OKX. And so the token name is going to be Pudgy Penguins. The ticker is going to be Pengu. There's a lot of fake ones out there right now. And so make sure to know that this has not launched yet. This is going to be launching at 1 p.m. UTC time. And so the max supply is going to be 88.88 billion tokens. We can see the circulating supply at launch is going to be 70.22%. And so that's going to be 62.31 billion tokens. And so once this token does launch, if you want to do quick math, if you're wondering what the market cap is going to be, you can see that there's going to be 62.31 billion tokens. And so if this is trading at 1 cent, it is going to have a $623 million market cap. If it's at 2 cents, we're going to have a $1.2 billion market cap. And so based on that, you can judge if you're interested in purchasing this token. And so this is also going to be launching on the Solana platform. And so in addition to that, it's also going to be launching on OKX as well. I think we will see more and more exchanges continuing to list this prior to launch. I think that this token will be available on almost every exchange. If you're interested in signing up for one of my favorite exchanges, there is a link underneath the video to Week's Exchange. They have a welcome bonus going on right now, and so definitely make sure to check out that link underneath the video. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on this. This is the Pudgy Penguins NFT right here. Currently trading around a price of 33 Ethereum, $132,000. And so we can see this has gone up substantially over the last 3 months. This is trading around 9 Ethereum, and now we're up to about 33 Ethereum. And so if we take a look at the big picture here, we can see this has climbed substantially, right? And so we can see there's been a ton of growth here over the last couple of months. However, if we take a look at the Google trend for NFT, we knew there was a big boom here in 2022 for the term NFT. NFTs were the talk of the town. However, right now, NFTs are dead, right? There is no interest in NFTs whatsoever. However, that could be changing here with the launch of the Pudgy Penguin tokens. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this information here. If you are a holder of a Pudgy Penguin NFT or a Little Pudgy NFT, you could be getting airdropped tokens. And so this is something to be keeping in mind if you're interested in purchasing the tokens as well, is that some of the NFT holders will actually be airdropped tokens and then they could go ahead and sell those tokens. And so we can see that if the market cap of the token launches at $1 billion here, we could see a value of $23,000 being pushed out in tokens to an NFT holder. Now, if this launches at a $10 billion market cap, which I do not think is going to happen right away. Now, could it eventually get up there? Yes, because I think this has a massive community, right? They are selling product in stores, such as Target and Walmart. And so they have been building this community for many years here, and I think this is one of the most anticipated launches. And so we can see though, if it does have a market cap of $10 billion, we may see people getting $234,000 of tokens. Now, they're going to sell those tokens and take some profit, right? Even if people are holding a little Pudgy here, we're talking $23,000. And so they bought that significantly less than that, and they're getting paid out $23,000 in tokens. And so let's go ahead and compare this to one of the biggest launches back in 2022 for NFTs. This is Bored Ape Yacht Club. And so we can see this is currently trading at around $75,000. However, at the peak here, this was trading around 136 Ethereum. And so right now, Pudgy Penguins is trading around 33 Ethereum. And it is trading around $133,000. And so this is one of the most sought after NFTs back in 2022. Now, during this phase here, we saw Bored Ape Yacht Club launch their own token as well, which was ApeCoin. And so we can see this launched back in 2022, and we can see that this went up to about a $5.7 billion market cap. And so we can see right at launch here, we saw this go up for the next couple of weeks. Then after that, we started to see a sell-off, right? So the people that were airdrop tokens that were holding the NFTs started to sell their tokens, and so we could see the same thing happen with Pudgy Penguins. Now, this has not really recovered. However, Pudgy Penguins has a very strong community, and I think that they will continue to see more and more growth. However, I just want to make you aware that we could see this sell-off here, just because people that are getting airdrop tokens is essentially free money to them, and they're going to sell those tokens and take profit. They may take 50%. However, we're going to start seeing some sell pressure after the initial pump. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information here. As I mentioned, their toys are sold in Walmart and Target. Over 1.5 million toys have already been sold. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the tokenomics here. There's going to be a total supply of 88 billion tokens. However, at launch, as I mentioned, there's going to be around 70%. And so we can see current and future team have about 17.8% with a 1-year cliff. And then we have the company here that's going to hold 11.48% with a 1-year cliff as well. And so that means that they have to hold the tokens for 1 year before they can sell. However, we're going to see some selling that can take place with the Pudgy community, which is going to hold about 25.9%, and then other communities here, which is 24.12%. And so that accounts for about 50% of the tokens right there. Then we have liquidity at 12.35%, we have the public good at 4%, and then we have FTT holders at 0.35%. And so this is just something to be aware of right here, just because Pudgy community and other communities here may be airdrop tokens, and they may not have to purchase them. And so as I shown before, they could be receiving substantial amount of money just holding the NFTs that they have purchased. And so if you enjoyed this video and found this information to be helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.